Hello, everyone. In this video, I will show you how the Odoo Google Auto Translator user manual module works. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. After installing the module, go to the Settings option. Next, click on Translation and select Google Translator. After that, click on New to create a translation configuration. Next, inside the Models option, select the models where the translation will take place, such as Account, Contacts, Email CC Management, Discussion Channel. Here, I will select Product in the Models option. In the Field option, select the field you want to translate, such as Description, Name, Sales Description. And now I will enable the auto translation for new records and auto translation on updated records. So when you will create a new product or update any product name or the description, translation will be updated automatically. Now we will click on the Save button. Now click on the Create Contextual action. So this will activate the translation for the selected models and fields. Now we will go back to our website and click on e-commerce, then click on Products. Now you can open any product, and if we hover over the product name and click on the EN option, you can now see the translation of the product name in different languages. Now we will go back to our website homepage and click on the Edit button. Now we are going to enable the Google Auto Translation option and click on Save button. Now you can check the top header of your website. You will see a language drop-down menu. Now, from here, you can select the desired language. After selecting the desired language, your website content will be automatically translated. Now we will move towards the Shop page, and here you can see the entire page is translated instantly. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.